So for this script, I'm going to be building off of my previous tutorial on how to make a 2D platformer controller, so there's a link to that in the description. With that said, open the script up in Visual Studio. So first we need to make 3 new variables. The first is a public int called maxJumps, and this will allow us to define how many times our player can jump in succession. The second is going to be a private int called AvailableJumps, and this is just going to be used to keep track of how many times our player has jumped. And then finally a private bool called isJumping. Next, let's head into our jump method. First, we're going to change our if statement to check if grounded is equal to true and if isJumping is equal to false. And then we're just going to delete this line and replace it with AvailableJumps equals maxJumps. Then we're going to create an if statement to check if the jump button is pressed and if the player has any available jumps. If both of these are true, then we want to set isJumping equal to true. And then we want to take away 1 from our available jumps. And then finally, make our player jump with rb.velocity equals vector2.up times by jump force. And then lastly, we're just going to check if the jump button is released. And if it is, then we're going to set isJumping equal to false. That's all for the script, so save it and head back into Unity. Once back in Unity, go ahead and set max jumps to something like 2 for a double jump. So if we go ahead and press play, we can now see our player is able to double jump. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more game dev content. And as always, I'll see y'all later.